Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. For this example, we're told to find the indefinite integral below, which is the integral of x to the 4 plus 1 over 3 times x cubed minus 3 over 4 x squared minus 2 over 3x plus 4 plus 1 over x squared. First, we're going to apply the sum/difference rule. So we get that the integral of x to the 4 plus 1 over 3 times x cubed minus 3 over 4 x squared minus 2 over 3 x plus 4 plus 1 over x squared dx is equal to the integral of x to the 4 dx plus the integral of 1 over 3 x cubed dx minus the integral of 3 over 4 times x squared dx minus the integral of 2/3 x dx plus the integral of the constant 4 dx and plus the integral of 1 over x squared dx. And now we apply the constant multiple rule to get that this is equal to the integral of x to the power 4 dx plus 1 over 3 times the integral of x cubed dx minus 3 over 4 times the integral of x squared dx minus 2 over 3 times the integral of x dx plus 4 times the integral of x to the power of 0 dx and plus the integral, and I'm going to rewrite 1 over x squared as x to the negative 2 dx. And now we apply the reverse power rule to find the indefinite integral of each of the terms. So this is equal to x to the power 5 over 5 plus 1/3 times x to the power 4 over 4 minus 3 over 4 times x cubed over 3 minus 2/3 times x squared over 2 plus 4 times x plus x to the negative 1 over negative 1. In simplifying everything, we get that this is equal to x to the power 5 over 5 plus x to the power of 4 over 12 minus x cubed over 4 minus x squared over 3 plus 4x minus 1 over x, then plus a constant c, since we're finding the antiderivative of the function, and the derivative of any constant is 0. And that's it for this example. Thank you for joining us. See you in the next lesson.